Hello friends, in this video we are going to see numerical from Reynolds number. As per the given question, oil having kinematic viscosity 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter square per second flows through a pipe of 0.5 meter diameter with a velocity of 10 meter per second. Water having kinematic viscosity 0.89 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square per second is flowing through a model pipe of diameter 20 mm. For satisfying the dynamic similarity, the velocity of water in meter per second you have to find. So first of all, I'll write the given data. So there are two cases, one is model and one is prototype. So I will write the data here. So let us consider the prototype. So oil having kinematic viscosity flows through a pipe of diameter 0.5 with a velocity of 10 meter per second. So this is a prototype case, because in the second case it is mentioned that water having kinematic viscosity is flowing through a model pipe, correct? So water is flowing in the model pipe, and the prototype pipe oil is flowing, right? So I'll write the oil here. Kinematic viscosity is given for the oil. Nu of oil is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power of minus 5 meter square per second, and second data is given here, diameter of the pipe d, I'll write p here, prototype, that is equal to 0.5 meter, and velocity of the, or velocity in case of prototype, that is your 10 meter per second. For the model, I will write the next data. For the model, in the model pipe, which liquid is flowing? Water. Water is flowing. So details for the water is given here. Kinematic viscosity nu m, you can write model, that is your 0.89 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square per second. And one more data is given for the model, that is diameter of the model pipe dm is equal to 20 mm. This must be converted into meter. So 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter square per second, sorry, meter. Okay. Now what we have to find? Velocity in case of model pipe, correct? Meter per second. That is the question. So definitely it is a case of pipe flow. So, and viscosity is also there, that is viscous force are dominant, so we can apply the Reynolds model law, correct? So applying the Reynolds model law, so as per the Reynolds model law, what is the equation? Reynolds number for the model must be equal to Reynolds number for the prototype, P. So kinematic viscosity is given, so I'll write this formula, V dy mu, V dy nu m is equal to V dy nu for the prototype. Just substitute the value, you'll get the answer. Velocity in case of model, right, Vm, that we have to find, and dm is your 20 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by kinematic viscosity, that is your 0.89 into 10 to the power minus 6 equal to velocity in case of prototype, that is 10 meter per second, into diameter of the pipe 0.5 divided by your nu p. Kinematic viscosity in case of prototype, that is oil, so sorry, that is your oil, yes, 1.0 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So if you calculate this equation after simplification, you will get the answer. Velocity in case of model pipe 22.25 meter per second. So this is a subjective question, so this is the your right answer. Velocity in the model is equal to your 22.25 0.25 meter per second. Okay, thank you.